This is an Italian salmon pasta. I grew up eating this pasta. I used to love it when I was younger. This takes 15 minutes. It's quick, it's delicious. And I've added a few extra ingredients to take it to the next level. Come on, let's make this pasta in less than 15 minutes. To make Italian salmon pasta for 2 people, my size, we need 300 grams of Penne Rigate. I chose Penne from Pastificio Liguori, a pasta brand that's been around since the 1795, just outside of Naples. They use 100% Italian durum wheat, and you can never go wrong with this brand. 200 grams of smoked salmon, about 150 grams of cream cheese, Philadelphia cheese. Philadelphia cheese and smoked salmon, they love each other. 1 lemon, 1/4 of brown onion, or you can use any onion that you want, and we want to chop the onion into small pieces. A nice bunch of parsley, and we want to cut it into small pieces, and make sure you use the stalk. That's where all the flavors are, the stalk. Capers, that's my touch. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. This is already cooked, smoked, so we don't really need to cook this again, okay? So we do now, we cut it into strips, and we just cut it enough. Try to cut it small pieces. Okay, that's it. That's what we're gonna do. We cut it this way, so we can serve it with the pasta once the pasta is ready. And now, let's start cooking. Medium, low heat, all the way. Extra virgin olive oil, in abbondanza, be generous, please. Now it's time for the onion. Chopped onion into small pieces. We're gonna saute the onion for about 7 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. A little splash of water to avoid the onion to burn. Maybe you want to use garlic. Yeah, you can use garlic if you don't want onion, that's fine. Can you see this beautiful onion? It's golden now. When you get to this point, we're going to add the parsley and the parsley stalk. You can put more extra virgin olive oil if you need. Nothing wrong with that. Beautiful. Now, at this point, we can start boiling the pasta. This pasta needs 11 minutes to be cooked perfectly al dente, which is how I like my pasta. Not undercooked, al dente. This pasta was dried at low temperatures for 9 hours. So we're talking about a good pasta. It will grow when you cook it. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sea salt, rock salt, into boiling water. We quickly stir so the pasta doesn't get stuck to the bottom, and see you in 11 minutes. Now it's time for the lemon. On a medium-low heat pan, we're gonna put the lemon zest. Put as much as you like, okay? You can put the whole lemon zest, or only half a lemon. This is really up to you. If you don't like lemon, you don't have to use it. But who doesn't like lemon, huh? We're going to squeeze the lemon. We're going to squeeze the lemon here to give beautiful flavors to this base. All right, now let's make sure that the lemon juice gives flavors to all the ingredients. So the parsley and the onion. Now it's time to add the capers. Now the capers is optional. If you don't like capers, don't use them, but I love them. Make sure you wash them before they go in. Capers don't really need to be cooked, but I do like to infuse the capers flavors in the sauce. Usually the capers are salty, but what we can do, we add a little pinch of salt, small amount of salt, a small amount of pepper, but this is personal. You choose to add as much as you like. And now we just wait for the pasta to come in. So the pasta is ready. So what we do, we get a mug of pasta water. And now we get the pasta out. Look how much the pasta grew. It grew almost double in size. When you have a good quality pasta, that's what happens. Now the pasta is ready. Put the stove on a medium heat and we put the pasta in. Let's put a nice splash of pasta water. Let's make sure all our ingredients make love together. The lemon is really releasing the flavors now. I can smell the lemon. See that? See all these ingredients? Let's make the pasta jump. When you toss, can you see how you make the pasta slightly creamy? Let's put some more pasta water. And now we add the Philadelphia cream. The cream cheese goes in now, guys. Let's break it, put a little bit more pasta water, and now we toss. Tossing is very, very, very important. Can you see the job the cream cheese is doing? Look at that. Look at that beautiful creaminess. But see that? You don't want that to dry. So let's put some more pasta water. Because don't worry, but the pasta will absorb the water. So don't be scared to use a generous amount of pasta water. Okay? Can add a little bit more in the middle. And I think now we're ready to put the salmon inside. We see the pasta is cooking. What we do now is switch off the stove. Switch off the stove. This is ready. It's creamy enough. The pasta is ready. Let's put half of the salmon in. I'm gonna use the other half to decorate the plates, okay? So here we go. Let's put the salmon everywhere. Make sure you spread it. And if you need more pasta water, guys, add more pasta water. Do not be scared. See, we want this to be very creamy. Here we go. The salmon is making love with all the ingredients. The lemon is releasing flavors. The capers are doing a very important job too. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, our pasta is ready. Guys, listen to the sound, please. Listen, listen. Super creamy. A little bit more pasta water. Like I said, don't be scared. If you see that the pasta is drying up, the pasta water will save you. See, the salmon kind of broke into small pieces. Look how creamy this pasta is. Creamy, beautiful salmon flavors. The lemon, oh, makes it so refreshing. Oh, beautiful. Joyful. Pleasant. Quick, comfort food. Oh, I love it. All right, let's plate this pasta. I think I cooked more than 300 grams of pasta. Look at that. This is a nice big plate for me. I'm a big boy. Now I'm gonna be fancy for you, like those Michelin star chefs. Look, I'm gonna put salmon everywhere with tweezers. Look at that. Decorated with salmon. This is a final touch, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, smoked salmon is already cooked. You don't really need to cook it. But we want some salmon mixed with the pasta, just for the flavors. And then we have some salmon just placed on top, just like this. We also have a nice contrast from the two different types of salmon, because the one that is now in the pasta is kind of recooked, and it's got different flavors, different texture as well. To finish it off, we're going to put some parsley everywhere. You can also use dill if you want. It's not really used in pasta dishes, but dill and salmon go very well together. Look how beautiful this pasta is. Look how creamy. Look at that. Nice, creamy pasta. You have to look at the creaminess here. Look how creamy. Look at that. Look how creamy. Look at this beautiful, silky pasta with beautiful salmon flavors. The smoked salmon flavors are beautiful. The lemon, my God, it's so refreshing. The parsley is also in there. The onion is very delicate. It's not strong. I think the garlic would have been a stronger flavor. I think the onion goes very well with this dish, but you can use garlic if you like. Oh, the capers are the ingredients that will take this dish to the next level. Capers and lemon are a must. And this is the salmon with the cheese that I toast together with the pasta. Melts in your mouth, soft but more tender, and it's got this beautiful cream cheese on top. Philadelphia and smoked salmon really, really love each other. They are the perfect match. What are you waiting for? Please make it now. But at the same time, subscribe to my channel, write a comment below, share this recipe with the people that you love. Please, do them a favor, yeah? Thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate.